In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order bump in Kartra. An order bump is a small, irresistible add-on that appears on your checkout page and can significantly increase your average order value. Think of it as a quick yes to something that complements the main purchase, like a template pack with a course or priority support with a software plan. Here's how to set it up the right way, clearly and confidently, without getting lost in the settings. First, create the bump product itself. Head to My Products and add a new, separate product that will serve as your bump. Kartra treats a bump as its own product so it can have its own price, description, and delivery after purchase. Give it a clear name and concise description, and choose a price point that feels like a no-brainer compared to your main offer. Keep it tightly related to what your customer is already buying, so it feels helpful rather than distracting. Next, configure your main product. Go back to My Products, find your primary offer, and click to edit it. From there, navigate to the checkout section. This is where the order bump lives and where you'll connect the dots between your main product and the bump product you just created. Now activate the bump. In the checkout settings, look for the bump offer step and toggle it to yes. This unlocks the fields you need to wire everything together. Select your bump product from the drop-down. Choose the exact product you created earlier, so Kartra knows which item to add if a buyer checks the box on your checkout page. Confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if you have multiple similar items. Then customize its appearance. Add a short, benefit-focused title and a clear, persuasive description. Keep it under 800 characters. Focus on the immediate outcome your customer will get, and make it obvious why this add-on enhances their purchase. You can also adjust the design to match your brand and optionally display a product thumbnail to draw attention. Keep it clean and consistent with your main checkout styling so it looks trustworthy and professional. Finally, save your settings. Once saved, your order bump will appear on the checkout page as a simple checkbox with your title and description. Customers can add it with a single click, and Kartra will handle the pricing and fulfillment as part of the same transaction. That's it. With a well-positioned, clearly written order bump, you'll make it easier for customers to say yes to more value, and you'll lift your revenue without adding friction to the checkout experience.